I'm just a no.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be trying out palm oil as a pre-poo for my hair. So first off, I'm just gonna melt the palm oil in hot water. So benefits of palm oil. Palm oil is known as an antibacterial oil that is good for your hair and scalp because it can prevent scalp acne and dry scalp. Palm oil is also rich in vital nutrients, and these vitamins are essential for healthy hair and skin. Also, palm oil is rich in vitamin E, and that benefits the hair by promoting new cell growth of hair follicles, which results in stronger hair. And vitamin E also decreases graying of the hair and hair loss. So, on a damp hair, I just apply the palm oil to my hair, and after I'm done, I massage it in my scalp and cover it up for 30 minutes. And I did use it, so watch the video.
Just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears around the ground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this.
The oil was starting to solidify in my hair, probably because it's winter. So I just went ahead and used my plastic cap. I used 2 plastic caps.
Was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in love. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle.
So guys, here's the only form of heat I use in my hair, at least for right now, and it's called the Iconic Soft Bonnet hair steamer, and I got it from Amazon. So this is what I used, and I used it on medium heat because, you know. So I noticed my hair was softer than it was when I started, so that was a plus, and that was the only thing I noticed. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.